Welcome Vanuatu. So ito na guys ang Vanuatu. Parating na kami sa Vanuatu. Ang weather ay ganito. At ang gawin namin ngayon ay ang Mystery Island. Wow! So, ito na ang Vanuatu Mystery Island. Ang daming coconut, guys. So, tingnan nyo, oh. Parang Pinas. Maraming coconut. So this is my breakfast for today, guys. Try to be healthy because I'm putting weight now. So ito na guys ang New Caledonia. Nandito na kami sa port ng New Caledonia. Ayan. So ang daming mga island. So ang ganda, diba? So, yan na ang bus. Ayan, no. Yan na ang magdadala sa, yung dadalhin sa Mystery Island, yung bus na yan. So, super Cebu. So, ang Caledonia, guys, ay ang daming small island. So, ayan na. Ayan na. Dito na. So, ito yung New Caledonia. Maliit lang pala, pero ang daming island. Siguro ito yung main city nila. Yan. Ayan ang pinaka main city. Nice sunrise.
3, 2, 1.
So, yung boat na yan ang magdadala sa amin sa Mystery Island. Yan ang magdadala sa amin sa island na yan. good afternoon guys. This is Dancing Filimona. Ngayon, this is before. Tapos na kami sa ano, sa aming pinuntahan sa Namuya, ano ba yun? Sa Caledonia Island. Bumaba kami, tapos nag-swimming. Ngayon, nandito na naman kami sa bar. Ito guys, flex ko sa inyo ang picture doon. Dito kami ngayon sa Schooner Bar. Tapos, yan ang Schooner Bar. Guys, yan. Yan. Tapos yun, magawa may Pilipino doon. Filipino worker. Ang dami-dami ditong Filipino worker. Sa ano na to. So, tingnan nyo guys, oh, may maliliit na island din. Saka tingnan nyo yung dagat guys. Tawag to. Parang ano, parang nasa yung gitna, low tide. Oh. Very amazing. Kita nyo guys, oh, yung gitna, oh. Parang ano siya, parang very low tide sa gitna, oh. Tapos doon din sa kabila, oh. Yan guys. Very amazing. Tingnan niyo guys. Very amazing. Yan. So guys, dumating na kami sa Numia. Ito. Yan na siya. Ang daming island, daming small island. Maliit lang pala to ang ano, New Caledonia. Ah! Tingnan nyo guys, so amazing yung ano, amazing yung ginagawa ng forklift. amazing what they do on that forklifts. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh. Can you imagine if that forklifts will pull off? Oh. No, the other one. Look at that. Oh. Oh. Yeah.
Carried off in the ambulance.
Where? Where's the ambulance? Oh, yeah. Hala.
Third person on scene.
Hala. Oh my goodness. They arrive in Caledonia and go to the hospital. Maybe heart attack. So, yan mga ano yan. So guys, yan o, may isang pasahero nga dinala sa hospital. They're all. So, lahat ng bus na yan ay yun ang magdadala sa amin papuntang Mystery Island. So, yan lang muna guys.
As is the bigger. So just go straight forward for the Ansbata Bay. And if you want to go to the Lemon Bay, just go backward and then on this side, so it's more shorter, it's protected from the wind, and so you have restaurants and bars where you can use your discount voucher if you want to. All good? Do we have any questions? All right, I think we're good to go. So there's this return bus, you are the first departure. We have another departure after this one, but it might be full as this bus, so you might have no seats on the other bus. We only have 2 departures today. All good? Any question? And if you want to come back on your own, the Lemon Bay is 45-minute walk from here. And it's going to be hot these days, so you're just going to faint halfway, so please just don't. All good? All right, so perfect, thank you. So enjoy your tour on the bay.
So, ito yung New Caledonia, guys. May... Namia. Namuya. Still New Caledonia.
Yeah. The town is Nouméa.
The town is Namuya. So, yan guys. Ang salita dito guys ay friends. Yes. So may mga coconut palm tree din dito guys. Kaso lang walang bunga. Ang ganda at ang Tamuya. Tamuya like that. Lalakad na kami. Pakita ko lang sa inyo guys, ang dagat, ang ganda. So tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda ng ganda ng Caledonia. Tapos, ganda nila yung yan. Tapos yun ay mayroon pa yung small island doon. So, tingnan nyo guys, ang small island. Tapos, yan guys. Yan. Yan sila. Yan ang aking mga kasama. So, mayroong Burger King yan guys. Ayan ang lokal. Yes, yan. Yan, nag-exercise din yung mama dyan. Tingnan yung malaking kahoy. So, kaganda. Ang ganda-ganda. Ang ganda-ganda. Yeah. So, tingnan mo guys, ang ganda ng Caledonia. Ang ganda talaga.
Oh, then we can't get back, do we?
What's
Yeah.
your room number? I will use your room number. Get the skate parker.
Ito yung mga restaurant guys. Restaurant. Ayan sila. Ayaw ko ano ginagawa nila doon. So ito yung restaurant ay Kinichi. Yan, yan guys. Kinichi. So,
Alright, well let's do this.
so ito yung beach nila. Yan. May nag-snorkeling na. So nilagyan nila ng ano yung harang para hindi makapasok yung ano yung pating. So yan ganon guys. So ayun na ang dalawa kong anak. Naliligo na sila doon. At saka yung doon sa ano, yung sa ano, pumunta yan, nagsusunod. Lahat yan ay mga nasa boat. Yung mga cruise, lahat yan sila. Saka yun, lahat yan mga galing sa boat. Ganda yun guys. Very calm ang tubig dito. Tapos may shark net pa. May shark net na ginawa. Ayan. Ano din yan? Mga nasa boat din yan. So, good afternoon guys. Nandito na kami sa Caledonia Restaurant. Iba ang ano naman nila dito. Ang salita nila ay friends. At saka pakita ko sa inyo guys ang ano nila ng restaurant dito. Ayan na sila. Ayan. Ayan ang waitress. Ayan.
Wait, that's Indian tonic. Hold on. That's different. That's not lemonade. Is it that? It's very bitter.
Bitter.
Yeah. Do you have lemonade, like Sprite? Just a bit of. Oh yeah, can we get some okay? Thank you so much.
And what is that? Mango
Some
juice?
Yeah, some cocktail. What's that?
So dito guys, ano rin pala sila, yung very religious din sila. Ayan, no? Ayan. Tapos doon, ibang restaurant doon. Ayan. Maganda dito. So, La Barca Restaurant. Dito kami sa La Barca Restaurant. Ayan.
What time is that on?
10 p.m. Yeah, there's nothing else.
That's bloody Justin, eh? He goes all night.
Oh yeah.
Does like 40 minutes, has a 10-minute break, back again, and you're like, holy hell, mate.
Yeah, seriously, look, it's 10 and then, yeah, for a couple of hours.
It's a 9 night through, guys.
Ayan, mga restaurant dito. Ayan. Basta yun. Ayan, guys.
I walked all the way back to the marina. I walked down the street to the marina and then back up to the. Yeah. Thinking the marina was like right by the boat. I was thinking the marina was right by the ship.
So, ito yung marina nila, guys. Ayan. Yun, ang supermarket nila, Casino Supermarket. Akala ko ay may casino dito. So guys, ito na, dumating na kami sa port. So ito yung port guys, napapasukan namin. Ayan. Boat. Kung gaano kalaki ng boat. Guys, so ito na yung port nila.
Yeah, but right inside the Louisiana.
Ito na, dumating na kami guys.